Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You have to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, just go to search bar and type your device manager and click here to open it. You can also open it from here. Right click on the start icon and then select device manager. Now we need to expand the audio inputs and outputs, so expand these. First of all, we will go for the microphone. Right click on properties, then select the drivers tab and go to drivers, update drivers. Now click on the search automatically for drivers and the base drivers will be installed. Now close this window and right click on the speakers, go for properties, go for drivers and click on update drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first one. And if you're not connected with your internet connection, you can select the browse my computer for drivers, then select the let me pick from the list of available options. Then from model you can select the audio endpoints or one of them, click on next and complete the process. Once done, just restart the system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly. And that's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.